Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Godzilla, so let's get started. To draw this much simpler version of Godzilla, let's first start by drawing the head area. So I'm going to come about right here and we're going to start, let's see here, makes it easier. Well, you know what, let's start right here with a little slant. So this is kind of like where the mouth and the nose, the snout area is going to be. So I'm just going to draw this little angle, and then from there I'm going to round it off at the top just to soften it up a little bit, and we're going to round it off and then go up. So we're going to angle up. If my Sharpie would work. Okay, so we're going to angle up. There. And then about right here. It's not working when I turn that too much to the side. So then about right here, I'm going to go ahead and bring it down. So let's bring this part down right here just a little bit, and then we're going to bring it in. There. So we're just aiming to draw this little angle part. This is where his snout is, and then this jaw area right here, and then the top of his head up here. Then from there, let's come into this curved area right here, and we're going to draw the eyes. So I'm going to start following this angle. I'm going to start about right here with a slant right in this area, just like this, and in the center of it we're just going to pop in a circle, and I'm going to give it a little highlight right here and shade everything else in. There. Make it a little bit meaner if you like by angling it more. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and in this area, kind of like in the center, we're going to draw an angle line all the way where the eyes are. And then in this area, you can put in some teeth all the way across. There. Okay, so then from there, we're going to start to draw big curves. Because with Godzilla, to make it look like a Godzilla, we need to have the head much smaller than the body. So we're going to bring this curve down, and this is going to go all the way out. Very, very big. There. And then let's keep going. So we bring this down, and keep bringing this down. So this is just meant to be a very simplified version of Godzilla. So hopefully you love it and it's helping you draw. And so let's say about right here. I think that's big enough, right? What do you think? Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and say about in this area right here, we're going to draw the hands. So let's say about right here, and come down, a curve, round it off, and then just bring it up. And then in this area right here, you can just put in some spikes for the hands. And then on the other side as well, so about right here. And some spikes. There. And then from, let's see here, and then from there, let's go ahead, where the hands are, we're going to come about, let's come about right here. And we're going to draw a curve coming down, and then come out for the feet, and bring it in. And then in this area, just draw some more spikes, maybe 2 of them, right about there. So then now that we know where the feet are, we can bring this in and just kind of tuck it in into that area. And then the other side, so about right here, come down and once again out and just bring it in. And once again, spikes for the feet. And then we can go ahead and draw the tail. So let's bring this out. Let's say about right here. Nice and thick. And bring it out to about right here. You make it as long as you like, but don't have that much space, so I'll just end it about right there and connect. There. So does that, hopefully that looks like Godzilla kind of in a much simpler version. You can even come in here if you like and add some detail. You can put in a little hump. There. And a little nostril right there. Okay, so then from there, we need to add the back, the spikes on the back to make it even more awesome. So I'm gonna come about right here, right on top of the head, and we're just gonna go ahead and draw a bunch of these spikes, sometimes bigger, smaller, up and down. Change it up sometimes right here, and then say about right here, we can go out really big. Just exaggerate it out. And come back in, and about maybe here, come in again, and then go down for the tail area, and taper in there, and then come back in here for another layer, just to add more detail. There, and the little line right here, and that is pretty much it. Hopefully I helped you. Draw Godzilla here, and of course I need to put a heart right here. Sneak in a little heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Godzilla. I really hope you love how it turned out and that I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.